Hi, hello, hi. It's your favorite Virgin Island born, Atlanta raised chef, Chef Holly Smith. Today we are cooking Virgin Islands conch in butter sauce. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're also going to need to pressure your conch. I pressure my conch for about 50 minutes in an electric pressure cooker, and then I let it cool, and then I chop it up. I think it cooks better once it cools, you guys. So that's what the conch looks like right there. And I have bell peppers, I have lemon pepper, unsalted butter, and a whole bunch of other good things. So we're gonna put in some vegetable oil, our bell peppers and onions, and then we're gonna put in some garlic. And we're also gonna put in Chef Holly's essential seasoning, which I was out of, but you can just use some Goya adobo. It works really, really well, and I use both. We have thyme, we have lemon pepper, good lemon pepper. I like McCormick or Badia black pepper, and 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. This is about 2 pounds of conch right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there as well and put all that together. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of water, about maybe a cup. And then we're gonna let all those vegetables give up their water as well and let it reduce. And that's all it is. We're gonna cover it up. And we have this on about medium-high heat. Once that is done, you're gonna taste your sauce. And if it tastes the way it's supposed to taste, you're gonna get you some nice seasoned rice, which I made in my rice cooker. Then we're gonna go ahead and put over that the delicious, yummy conch. In our seasoned rice, just so you know, I just put a little seasoned salt, some all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of brown sugar, a little bit of vegetable oil, and water. Throw it in the rice cooker. I added some plantains to this because the sweetness goes very well with the lemony and the salty. Sweet and salt always goes together, you guys. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna dive in, we're gonna enjoy this delicious dish, and we're gonna pair it with my Virgin Islands pepper sauce that you can buy on my website at phenomenalfoodbychefholly.com. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll try to post some more videos. Bye-bye.